To talk briefly about is how to get images down from the internet and get them posted up on the website. Especially this is tricky when you're working from Google's Life magazine archive. I'll do the simple case first. Let's say that you are looking for images of Las Vegas in the 1950s. You could do a Google search, get in images, and now here's a Google image. And there's a whole bunch of really interesting images here. The one that attracts me a lot is this image of the Mint Casino, which is one of the famous casinos, although this great old image of the cowboy neon sign is a great one too. So the first thing you could do is to just drag the image directly down to the desktop and upload it, but you'll notice if you click on that image, it's a pretty small image. This is actually just a thumbnail of the real image on the internet that Google has created for purposes of its Google image search. What you really want is the higher quality image that's behind it. So if you click through to this image, when dragged down, is a much higher quality image. In fact, it's actually 3 times the size that we're seeing here, but this is the full image. If I click over here to the image I just downloaded, you can see just how big it is. It's so big it won't even fit on the screen of the movie I'm making. So this is the image I want to upload, and if I go here to Ret 102, Cafe, this feels to me like it's a space or a place, so I'm going to upload it there. Glancing through, I want to check to make sure no one else has uploaded the same image. You'll notice at the moment a lot of people are commenting have uploaded exactly the same image, and in situations like that you should, rather than posting again the same image that's already been posted, you should post your response to that image as a reply to their thing. But it doesn't look like anyone's done Las Vegas at all yet, so I'm going to add here at the bottom my name, my email address, a quick comment describing the image and saying why I think it's important, and then down here, upload the file. The image is here, vintage photo of Las Vegas in the 30s or 50s, and I'm all set to go. Post the comment. And so you can see how that posted very nicely. If someone clicks on it, they get the full-size image, which is really just what we want. All right, well, that's all well and good. But for tomorrow's assignment, you're being asked to get images from Life's Google Magazine archive. And what's tricky here is that Google doesn't provide an easy way to get these images off of their website. There's no button you can click for a screen grab. So you're going to need your own screen grab utility. If you're on a PC, go search for screen capture or screen grab on Google, and you can find an app to do this for you. If you're on a Mac, there's a key combination that does it. It's called Command-Shift-4. Push all 3 of those buttons at once, and you'll get a screen image. You'll get a special cursor that you can then drag across and select just a section of the screen to take a picture of. The pictures you take generally appear on the desktop, although they may turn out to be somewhere else, like your user folder, if you have your settings a little different from mine. The image will appear down here. It should end with the letters PNG because it's the Portable Network Graphics image, and if it doesn't have those initials, you should add them. The only other thing you need to do is you need to make sure there are no periods in the name. The course website will only display images that it knows are images, and for it to know that it's an image, it needs to end in .png, with that dot being the only dot in the name. So I need to change the name here to something appropriate to the title. This is an image of the Kinsey report, so I'm going to put Kinsey. And it's also a Kinsey report in connection with homosexuality, so I'll put in homosexuality. And now this image is ready to be uploaded to the course website. So I go back over here. Here's my course website. This is an image that has to do with identities, I think. So I'm going to post it there. And if I go down to the bottom of the identities and I check to make sure no one else has commented on this one already, I'm going to say something about the image, why it's interesting, what this article tells us and why it's interesting. And then I'm going to choose the image. Here it is, Kinsey homosexuality, and post the comment. And that's all there is to it. So thank you, and I hope this has been helpful.